Hello, I'm the Devil and you're watching the Devil channel. See there? Uh-oh, the Devil channel has been hijacked by another channel. And let's be careful because we want you to stay here because we will be wanting you guys to stay here while the technical difficulty is done. Hello, guys. As you can see, I'm back on the channel, but here's the thing. Devil hijacked my YouTube channel even though I didn't tell him to. So right here, I thought I could do the same thing. Instead of the Devil channel today, how about the Peyton channel? I actually edited his schedule to be on the community post. Oh, and he noticed that I put the August 8, 2025 thing. That's for a big secret he's going to be doing. And I don't know what's going on, but he did it. But I wanted to say, I'm hijacking his channel. So guys, welcome not to the Devil channel, welcome to the Peyton channel. Wrecking YouTube since 2020. Right now, 2020 has been a good year, but right now it's 2024, so 4 years of YouTube. Yeah. And guys, if you love the Peyton channel so much than the Devil channel, then you should subscribe for a more Devil channel wreck-offs that I won't let that happen. I'll keep hijacking every time you subscribe. I just don't want Devil doing anything bad to you so I could take care of you guys. So yeah. And today, welcome to Unsolved Mysteries with Peyton and Jacobo. It's episode 3. After 2 episodes, of which next episode will be on Friday. Friday is when the next episode happens for episode 4. Okay, guys, let's read. On January 15, 1947, the remains of 22-year-old Isabella Short, aka the Black Devil. I'm sorry, I am bad at pronouncing. Were found on the block of 3800 S Norton Avenue in Los Angeles. The body was cut in half and so pale and drained of blood that the woman who found the body mistook it for, man, explain that first. Okay, I forgot to make my warnings, so please, kids, do not watch this video. You can listen to a little bit of that, which you can, but just don't listen to the other part of the story that I'm going to be reading. I just don't want any kids hearing this. So, yeah. Or don't need this. Don't look at this. Okay. At first, the body was cut with surgical precision, leaving no trauma to international organs and bones. Her face was also cut from her mouth to ears, leaving an eerie, permanent smile. There was no blood on the ground, making it believe that the body was moved after she had been murdered. 9 days after she was discovered, an envelope was sent to the examiner, addressed by using individual cut and pasted letters from magazines and newspapers. It read, "The Los Angeles Examiner and other Los Angeles papers. Here is belongings letter to follow. As promised, the envelope contained short social security card, birth certificate, photographs, names written on pieces of paper, an address book with pages missing, and the name Mark Hansen embossed on the cover. Gasoline was used to clean objects, removing no fingerprints. I meant. Okay, guys. I got a sponsor for today's episode, and the Devil said no sponsors on his channel, even though it's on his channel, so I'm going to be doing whatever I want on the channel. So, Devil, I'm sorry for hijacking the channel. Not. Okay, guys, today's sponsor is Vimeo. Vimeo is a video making software that can let you make anything, and Vimeo can also let you have a VIP. And another sponsor, 2 sponsors. Cool. The another sponsor for today is Orlando Magic, the basketball team. And guys, I hope you guys know that Orlando Magic's and other sponsors like Surfshark VPN on my first episode, you guys could go on to there. And if you like the Orlando Magic's, watch your basketball games. I really am not a big fan of them though. I just want to sponsor them. So guys, let's get back to the story, shall we? On March 14th, a suicide note scrawled in pencil on a bit of paper was found tucked into a shoe in a pile of men's clothing by the ocean's edge at the foot of Breeze Avenue in Venice. The note read, "To whom it may concern, I have waited for the police to capture me for the black killing." I'm sorry, I couldn't pronounce that. But I have not. I am too much of a coward to turn myself in. So this is the best way out for me. I couldn't help myself for that. Or this. Sorry, Mary. The pile of clothing was first seen by the beach caretaker, who reported the discovery to the lifeguard captain, John Dalton. John Dalton immediately notified the West Los Angeles Police lifeguard captain, John Dillon. Oh, wait, did I just say that? Very funny. The clothes included a coat and trousers, a blue herringbone tweed, a brown and white shirt, white jockey shorts, tan socks, and tan Cossagan shoes, about size 8. However, the clothes gave no clue about the identity of their owner. Although many suspects were named, no authorities were able to identify the Black Dahlia's killer, and the mystery has gone unsolved for over 70 years. Okay, guys, we are finished episode 3, and it's been 8 minutes actually. So guys, don't tell Devil this. Don't tell the Devil that I hijacked his channel. He really can't act. He made a post about it, about the schedule. I'm gonna give you one secret that you should not tell him, because I want to ask you something. I gotta tell you a secret. Can you keep this a secret? If he told me my phone number 352-619-0530, that's my actual phone number. Do not really text me. I do not want him doing that. He hacked my account, wanted to do that, and I could say nobody really want to text that. So that's good. Don't really text me. I know what's going on, and let me get in one secret. If you tell him, I will not want you to tell him. It's not good for you guys to tell him. You would not like it. So I gotta get a secret. He doesn't know I'm hijacking the channel. So that means he is signed out of the channel. So that means he is on YouTube right now. But I hope he doesn't hijack my channel too, after this. Oh, what? What does that say? Wait, hijacked by the Devil channel? Okay, guys, do not send this. Okay, Devil channel is transporting. Okay, guys? Don't tell him. Okay? Hello, it's me, the devil. We finally knew that we got hijacked by another channel. So we got transport, had to hijack him too. And whoever it was, please tell me who it is next time. So we actually know who got hijacked us. The Peyton channel hijacked us. But don't worry, we actually got this taken care of. We had him hijacked and we had to shut him off of the schedule too. Or he probably... Oh, now you're telling me. No, he said that got logged out. I didn't. Double channel off of air. Well, guys, thank you for watching the... Actually, we got one more thing to get on the schedule. Peyton, I know you're there. So I'll be making a premiere today. So, what am I going to do? Well, in a few minutes, in 35 minutes, I will be making a... Whoa. Actually... In a few hours, 1 hour, I'm going to make one. In 1 hour, I will be making premiere, showing that this warning and then there's a very special announcement to everybody else on the internet. So see you, but please know that the Peyton channel today will be shut off for maintenance. But don't worry, we will be back on air in a few hours. See ya. If you watch the double channel, please do not let any bad things on double channel. If you do that, it will be prohibited.